Oke guys, tetap bersama Gigi Gabin Gaming. Tonton channelnya, nikmati kontennya, jangan lupa like and subscribe dan komentar. Oke, terima kasih. Selamat menonton. Oke, kita main MCL. Semoga kita menang.
Enemy is banning. Your team is banning.
Oke, kita pilih apa ya? Kita coba semoga juara.
The enemy is banning.
Oke. Kita pakai apa ya?
Your team is picking.
Kita nggak tahu, kita pusing pakai apa.
The enemy is picking.
Bingung coy, pakai apa ya?
Please pick a hero.
Semoga kita bisa menang. Kita pakai apa ya?
Diggy.
Kita pakai gigi aja. Semoga kita kasih guys. Pilih apa nih?
Clear.
Oke.
The enemy is picking.
Tank siapa tank? Buset, tank dong. Kita pakai tank apa? Kita pakai tank apa?
Irithel. The enemy is banning.
Kita pakai apa?
Your team is banning.
Kita pakai jauh head. Bisa nggak nih? Soalnya kita bingung nih.
The
Gimana?
enemy is picking.
Kita nggak ada di mid coy. Iya dipakai duluan. Kalau dipakai duluan gimana? Kita pakai apa ya?
Please
Untung nggak
pick a
dipakai.
hero.
Jadi kita bisa make jauh head. Oke guys, kita pakai jauh head guys.
Jawhead.
Ambil mid, pusat. Siapa yang mid? Kita pakai apa ya?
Rock. The enemy is picking.
sakit ini. Aduh, nggak tahu datanya juga tebak lagi sana. Nggak tahu
Franco.
bagaimana. Malah kita Franco. Bingung kita ini guys. Semoga kita menang guys. Semoga kita menang.
Welcome to MCL Quarterfinals.
Kita coba
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
terlalu
Smash
gede
them.
suaranya guys.
All troops deployed.
Oke, segini aja cukup. Aduh, nge-lag bos. Nggak tahu nih kenapa nge-lag ini. Aduh, nge-lag bos. Nge-lag. Kita nge-lag coy. Kita nge-lag.
Can Jawhead get hurt?
Kita aktifkan biar nggak nge-lag.
Where's my mommy and daddy? Attack. Request backup. First blood. Huh? Why are there so many bad
Hampir mati kita guys. Tadi gara-gara nge-lag. Parah tadi coy. Aduh, parah tadi itu. Slownya parah coy.
Huh? Why are there so many bad guys? Request backup. Ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Tahu guys kita masih menang apa kalah nih. Aminnya musuh kaya guys. Tuh. Aduh,
Request backup.
ini ada yang bantuin guys. Pusing kepala baby guys.
Shut down. Double kill.
Oke, dia di bawah
Turtle
bisa
resurrecting soon.
mampus.
Can request backup. Get hurt? Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
Aduh, 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 aduh.
Request backup. You have slain. Initiate retreat. Why are there so many bad guys? Request backup. Request backup. Launch attack. Your team destroyed the turret.
Parah guys.
Is Straw Hat too strong for you?
Aduh, parah ini. Parah coy.
Initiate retreat. Can Straw Hat get hurt? Can Straw Hat get hurt? An ally has slain the turtle. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has attacked. Ally has destroyed the turret. You have slain an enemy. Is Straw Hat too strong for you? Killing spree. Kill. Triple kill.
Oke guys, kita selamat.
Team destroyed
Oke,
the
kita masih
turret.
belum mati guys. Kita ambil buff dulu. Tetot, tetot. Oke. Tetot.
Initiate retreat.
Lag banget, alasan ya.
Where's my mommy and daddy?
Emang lag banget kita dulu. Nggak tahu nih kenapa ya guys. Kok lag banget ya. Nggak tahu. Saya juga bingung kenapa sampai lag banget begitu. Tapi ya tetap saja yang penting semangat. Kita hajar lawan-lawan.
Why are there so many bad guys? You destroy the turret. Godlike.
Aduh.
Double kill.
Guys, kita dapat. Aduh, malah hilang lag anjay.
Why are there so many bad guys? An ally has slain the turtle. Where's my mommy and daddy? strong for you? Where's my mommy and daddy? Launch attack! Can Jawhead get hurt? Launch attack! Ally has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Legendary! Double kill. Initiate retreat. Legendary! Killing spree! Wiped out. Ending soon.
Nakil juga kau kapok lu. Sombong sama dia orang.
Strong for you?
Oh,
Launch attack!
ya bosku. Nggak bisa kau.
Is Jawhead too strong for you? Legendary! Double kill! An ally has slain Lord! Request backup! An enemy has been slain! Legendary! Wiped out!
Get out.
Your team destroyed a turret! Huh? Why are there so many back? Your team destroyed a turret! Can Jawhead get hurt? Victory! Welcome to semi-final!
Oke, terima kasih telah menonton. Dukung terus channel ini ya. Bye.